All right, so a couple things I want to show you real quick here today. I've got the Summit ice fishing pole set up here. This is the 24 to 60 extendable ice fishing pole mount. I've got the Panoptix PS22 transducer and the LVS32 transducer Livescope hooked up to this guy. I'm going to show you here today how I hook it up on a dock when I do dock fishing. So I'll have all of this linked down in the description as well. But what I use is this guy right here. This is a ram mount, double handled side, so I can clip one, you can see right onto the pole here, and then another one that goes onto the pole of my transducer mount. All right, so you can see I've got one side attached to this pole right here. As you can see, this is the smaller ram mount ball bracket. It works absolutely fine for this use. And now I'm just gonna put the pole of my transducer mount right in the other side. I loosen those brackets up so that way I can have it just hang level. And like that, that's how I've got it hooked up. So it's firmly attached here, goes straight down, 90-degree out, and I got my pole here. And what I found to work best for when dock fishing is actually putting the extendable pole mount so that it can rest on this coupler right here. I can put it right in here, and that way, if I want to still turn it, I can still turn it, but yet it's gonna hang in here so it doesn't fall through. And that's how I've got it set up.